Every grain of sugar begins its life rooted in the soil. Harvest starts by hand, where precision still matters. Each cut separates months of growth from the earth. Order begins here, long before machines take over. Every bundle must travel intact. Scale demands more than muscle alone.
Machines multiply what hands begin.
Movement never stops once harvest begins.
Time is critical from this moment on.
Freshness decides the quality of sugar.
Protection begins before transport. Third transport. Millions of stalks move together. The journey to transformation begins. Every second counts before sugar is lost.
Measurement waits at the gate.
Harvest meets industry.
This is where raw cane becomes sugar.
The factory is ready to receive the harvest.
Once inside, the clock starts ticking faster. Every load must be measured before unloading.
Weight confirms the scale of harvest.
Data guides every decision downstream.
Nothing moves without confirmation.
The path is now fixed.
Flow replaces waiting.
Safety holds everything together. Gravity does the heavy work.
Harvest meets the factory floor. From here, machines take control. Forward is the only direction. The process never pauses. Only cane moves forward. Only cane tillstoward. Speed protects sweetness.
Human eyes still guide machines.
The raw stage is ending. Now, preparation truly begins. Inside, the environment completely changes. Everything is built to keep cane moving. gravity guides the first descent.
Heat and pressure build within.
The factory absorbs the harvest.
This is the heart of intake.
Control cell begins from above.
Surface dirt is stripped away. Waste leaves before processing begins.
Uniform flow protects the machines.
From outside, the factory never rests. Elevation feeds efficiency.
Deeper preparation begins.
Cleaning is only getting stronger. Every step is monitored. Machines respond instantly.
The outside world is left behind. Now the real preparation begins. Purity starts with relentless cleaning. Only usable cane moves forward. Hidden threats are removed silently. Order prepares the extraction.
This is where juice is released.
And this is how raw sugarcane begins its journey into sugar. Fresh juice is sealed for its final journey.
From factory floor to city streets.
The product meets the people.
A simple choice shaped by a long process.
This is the taste of careful production.